With this,
bonfire now.
we've also got that. Oh, look at the bonfire now, guys. It's really awesome.
Oh, be careful, eh?
Oh, it's really light up now.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's so good.
And if you look up at Woodhall, the guests are out on the balcony as well.
So guys,